Hello again. Here we are with one more average maintenance, or rather say preventive maintenance, this time on a dryer. Being so that the clogged dryer or vents are number one cause for the house fire, I'm gonna make sure the mice clean and free of lint. This filter is clean every time before usage, and then I am gonna check here behind my flexible pipe, vent pipe is free of stuff that collects over the time, lint. But before I do anything, I'm gonna check on the back of the house, how is my vent working? Is it free of the debris or lint or whatever comes through accidentally after washing? And I'm gonna turn this on and starting. Go behind the house and see how it works. Here we are. This is the vent that comes out. It is opening, and inside is pretty clear. And I cleaned this not long ago, so that is not an issue. I'll just go behind the dryer and check what's in. So it works well. I'm going to turn it off and take this away from the wall and disconnect the flexible pipe. And of course, like everything else, we need to unplug it and make it safe. While disconnected, here inside doesn't look that bad, and here there's also no collection of anything, so which is good sign. But in order for me to see very well, I will need to take this back panel by taking all the screws out and check what's in. I have this water hose for steam refresher. I don't have to take this off after I took all screws out. I will just move this back plate behind a little bit and see what I can do. Just as information, I took 11 screws out all around the back plate. This part here is where this filter comes in and filter the lint, and I'm gonna try to take that apart and see what's in. Okay, I took 4 screws out and I'm gonna try to take this completely out. I need to wiggle it out somehow. Looks like I'll need both hands just to try to remove it. When moving this, I can feel that there is attachment here. So when I take this filter out, I could see that here are 2 screws that I believe I need to take off in order to take all that metal cover off. Okay, now screw that out, and I'm going to try this again. It is separating, but looks like I need more. Okay, when I was moving this was stuck on the bottom. I needed to lift it up a little bit and move it. So this is now coming off, and it is out. So first look, it is a little dirty, and on the bottom, which I'm glad I took apart to take this out, just in case that there is some heavy debris down, cannot be blown out. There are like hair clips, or those are my screws, maybe something else in there. I'll see when I take it out. But fan doesn't look that bad. There's some plastic things. I need to clean these fins, but all in all, not too dirty. Like I said, I'm glad I'm doing this at least once. Okay, I cleaned fins with a toothbrush. Now I'm gonna shop vac it. Okay, clean, ready to put back together. Fan is also clean and ready. It is not so hard to put back in, but definitely 2 hands needed. And we need to align this screw holes once we're ready to put screws in. And I had them already, so like that, and then like that. There is a hole. I need to make sure that that fits well. Okay, these 2 screws are in, and all this part is back again with 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All nice and tight. No cables crashed. Now I cover the back, and with 11 little screws, so I need to make sure that I use them all. While putting screws in, I will not tie them all the way, because some holes are like a little off, so I will put them all in halfway and then tie them little by little at a time. All 11 screws are in and nicely tight, so it's ready to put together. I needed to stay away for about 1 feet before I put the hose on. Then I'll slide it all the way back to the wall. Not all the way to the wall, but make sure that I don't crush the pipe. That is how it is behind, plugged in, and hose is not crushed, ready to turn on and test it. And it works well. So, I think it's a little quieter. It doesn't roll any of those metal pieces in, doesn't make any clicking noise. So I am pretty glad with what I done. Not so hard, a little tight with the small places, but well worth it. I'm now feeling safer because I took all that debris out, and I will recommend to anybody. Different drives, different ways, but it's easy to figure it out. It's self-explanatory. If you will have any questions and I can answer them, I will be more than glad. Please comment, we can learn together. Till next project. Thank you for watching.